Hello and welcome to This Week in Privacy. My name's Alexis Katafides and here are your regulatory highlights for this week. The European Data Protection Board announced that national supervisory authorities will launch investigations into the use of cloud-based services by the public sector. The EDPB noted that the investigations follows its decisions to set up a coordinated enforcement framework and that over 75 public bodies in total will be addressed, covering a wide range of sectors such as health, finance, tax, education, and central buyers or providers of IT services. The EDPB outlined that SAs will particularly explore challenges faced when using cloud-based services, including the process and safeguards implemented when acquiring cloud services, challenges related to international transfers, and provisions governing the controller-processor relationship. The EDPB will publish a report of its analysis before the end of 2022. Two bills were introduced in California, one for an age-appropriate design code and the other related to privacy notice requirements for insurance companies. Assembly Bill 2273 would require businesses which create goods, services, or product features which can be accessed by children to comply with specified standards, as well as considering certain practices in the best interests of children when designing, developing, and providing those goods, services, or product features, require businesses to provide privacy information, terms of service, policies, and community standards concisely, prominently, and using clear language suited to the age of children, prohibit those businesses from taking prescribed action such as collecting or using data from consumers who are children, and provide for the creation of the California Children's Data Protection Task Force. Assembly Bill 2372 would codify the requirement for insurance companies to annually provide a clear and conspicuous privacy notice. In Oman, the Ministry of Information announced that the law on the protection of personal data had been issued and published in the official gazette. The data protection law provides for data subject rights, including the rights to rectification, access, data portability, erasure, the right not to be subject to processing without consent, and the right to be informed of any breach to their personal data. Organizations and natural persons may be subject to fines ranging from a minimum of €1,000 to a maximum of €1 million. The law is expected to come into force in February 2023. That's all for This Week in Privacy. Thanks again for watching, and I'll see you next week.